Baltimore metro market closed out January with an increase in new listings month over month, the first time in 3 months. This is good news for potential buyers, but buyers need to jump quickly on new listings as homes are still selling as quickly as 11 days. It's Friday, February 12th. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. Let's talk about the Baltimore metro market. Data indicates that the limited supply and favorable interest rates continue to contribute to median sales prices being up to an all-time high for the Baltimore metro area, overall 16.3%. Anne Arundel County prices are up 10.5% and closed sales gained 33.9%, a 5-year January high. Odenton and Glen Burnie are two of the hottest markets right now. Days on the market hit a record low of 5 days, while inventory is down from last January. It did rise 30.1% from December. Baltimore City's condo market was busy with closed sales up 51.6%. Baltimore County condos hit a 10-year best, with prices up 32.7% and townhome prices up 19.9%. Howard County sales prices for detached homes were up 15.3%, a second best month in the past 10 years. Condo prices were up 14.3%. Carroll County prices for detached homes went up 19.1%, and Reisterstown detached home sales prices increased 56%. Harford County had their best January ever. Bel Air prices increased 16.7% for detached homes. In the Maryland suburban market, Montgomery County sales prices for detached homes hit a 10-year record for sales prices, up 16.7%, as the days on the market remains at a record low of 7 days. Kensington homes hit their second highest monthly median price. Gaithersburg inventory was actually down 74% for January. Prince George's County overall sales prices rose 9.4%, while detached home prices showed a January bump up of 2%. Days on the market rose in January, and Clinton actually saw the biggest price gains, up 26.3%. The county's new to market condo inventory rose in January 9.2%. Southern Maryland showed a 46.6 year-over-year increase in sold volume, with the median sales price up 14.6%. Charles County saw sales prices up 20.7% in year-over-year January, and new listings were up 14.9% from December 2020, and days on the market averaged 18 days. Calvert County prices bumped up 0.8% from last January, but were down 15.4% from December 2020 to January. New listings rose 15.1% from December, while days on the market went up to 30 days. St. Mary's County enjoyed a 10.5% increase in prices from last January to a median price of $310,500. Days on the market decreased to 23 days, and new listings are up 26.2% in January from December. The Eastern Shore enjoyed a 20.7% increase in sales prices, with Cecil County taking the biggest jump to 28.3% year over year to $276,995, and new listings to market are up 39.1% from December 2020. Dorchester County was the second in the biggest price gains, up 26.3% to $216,950, but down 13% in inventory from this time last year, though days on the market are down to 47 days. Queen Anne's County prices rose 19.1% to a median of $411,000 from last year, but new listings to market are down 9.8%, and homes are selling in an average of 30 days. Talbot County saw a 9% bump in prices to $380,000, with days on the market dropping to 64 days, but new inventory is down 23.9% from last January. Kent County prices rose 2.6% to $220,000, and new inventory is up 7.4% from December, and days on the market until contract has dropped to 46 days. Caroline County was up 8.7% year over year to $212,000, and new inventory is coming to the market up 19.4% from last January's and up 2.4% this past December. Days on the market are down to 28 days. Do you have questions about your situation for 2021? Give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's it for Friday, February 12th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your snowy Valentine's weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.